At Countryside Village, the challenge was clear. How do you cross a highly sensitive Redside Dace tributary of the West Humber River? Add poor soils, high groundwater, and a cold water habitat window to avoid the breeding season. This was no ordinary crossing. The solution? An 18-meter tri-span bridge, designed and built by Concast pipe, spanning the watercourse without disturbing the habitat. Work began with excavation and placement of a concrete mud slab foundation. Over 70 tri-span sections were delivered. Each section was post-tensioned to lock the bridge together, improving load distribution. Waterproofing followed, shielding the structure from moisture and erosion. Delivered on time, with minimal environmental impact, this project proves Concast pipe builds with purpose, creating infrastructure designed to last.